Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll walk you through how to change your password on the X, formerly known as Twitter, desktop app using the latest update. Whether you want to update your security or simply can't remember your current password, this guide will help you get it done in just a few minutes. First, open the X app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to change the password. Once you're inside, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on the More icon. It's the one with 3 dots. Clicking it will open a small menu with more options to choose from. Now select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can control all the major aspects of your account, from privacy preferences to password settings. Within that section, click on your account. You'll see several options, and among them is Change Your Password. Go ahead and click that. You'll now be prompted to enter your current password. This is just to confirm that it's really you making the change. After that, type in your new password in the next field. Try to create one that's a bit stronger. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to improve your account security. Once you've entered the new password, you'll be asked to type it again just to confirm it. Double-check that both entries match perfectly, since even a small typo could prevent it from updating successfully. Finally, click on Save. If everything checks out, your password will be updated immediately. You might be asked to re-enter your new password the next time you log in, so keep it somewhere safe and memorable. And that's it. You've just learned how to change your password on the X app for PC with the new update. Keeping your account protected is crucial, so make a habit of updating your password regularly. If this guide helped, don't forget to hit like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.